killing time by firing up a 350cc head. Today I'm working on a 1993 model bullet, which I sold it to a friend of mine about 5 years back, and the bike came back to me with a lot of complaints since the bike was never used for more than a year and a half or two. The clutch plates worn out, the piston rings were totally gone, and that's the bore. When I pulled the bore out from the crankcase, you see the bore was broken into pieces, and luckily I could manage to bring the pieces out. With the beach. And still, bike is not running, but the head is on fire. It's a kind of a test what I'm doing right now. This is the another way to check the leakage in the valve. If you can see. This is the condition of the inlet and exhaust. I cleaned it, and there's a leak in the inlet valve. That's why I was just checking, and I did not want to throw the fuel out. I still see some few drops of petrol is available, gas is available. So let's fire it up again. Here we go. Heads on fire without the piston.